Are foreigners taking South African jobs and overcrowding them, or the South African government is failing the Mzansi people, the people of South Africa? Hello and welcome to Scoop and Cast. Please watch this video and tell me what you think.
Yo, Zimbabweans in South Africa. Zimbabweans, Kerala Zimbabwe, Lena Banaba Munangwangu. What's wrong with you? Pella, the whole country cannot be talking about you. Everywhere, left, right, center, Zimbabweans, Zimbabwean this, Zimbabwean this. We are enough. We've had enough. Like, I've never seen a stubborn, very stubborn nation as you Zimbabweans. Like, this video is specifically for you Zimbabweans. Like, you're all over. South Africans had enough of you. Like, you are so stubborn, you are so inflexible. Why are you so naive, clueless? It's not like you don't know or you are like everywhere they are talking about you. Even internationally, like you are overcrowding us as South Africans. We are not xenophobic and we are sick and tired of being called xenophobic when we air our cries. Like, this is our grievances. As South Africans, we are not working. You are overcrowding us. We have enough issues as it is. Like, there's this thing, you occupied everywhere. Mo South Africa, or what's a modi paving killing a little. We are going to satanism. Li busy. We thought you are praying. And you are not praying. You are here like like the evil spirit li busy li bofa bana ba batho ka kwa dikankeng ke di video tse ka etse re di kra mo TikTok ba bolela ka lena. Like, South Africans are clean people. We are the most cleanest people. Go to townships, you'll cry. Go to Johannesburg, like go to Tshwane. Ke lena fela mo di pavementing li tletse li rekisha everywhere and you are not paying anything. You are not paying tax. Ra go di clinic, ra go di betlele ke rena bana ba bolena, those bana ba borena like bo marena bo kwa rena. South Africans ge ba go di betlele ga ba kre mepete ke lena la belega too much every year motho pregnant. Like, there is this video where this lady who go Zimbabwe and she gave birth on the pavement. Like, tell me, mosadi lo tse a botse ka mtlhogong ga botse lena o ka re le mentally disturbed ka mtlhogo lena ma Zimbabweans. You are so ignorant to a point whereby you are crazy. How can you give birth on a pavement? Like, pregnancy is not emergency, guys. Mosadi lo tsibile re not pregnant for 9 months. So yena le husband ya gage o dira bana like yo a lebega o ka re magotlo lebelega o ka re magotlo ka South Africa, and you don't have medical insurance, you're not paying tax, you don't have proper documentations. Le tlile ka mo ka di kamela, le tlile ka mo ka di kwena, like le jambile ma fence. But o fitla ka mo you get so relaxed to a point by you get pregnant. So you want to blame South Africans? No. You want to paint us as bad people? No. South Africans are known to be very peaceful and loving people. Re la mogetše for nako e telele ke gale re dula le lena mo di ntlong tša rena, re la mogetše ra le rentišetša re phela le lena gabotse. But lena ne, you overstayed your welcome. You've come to a point whereby you bite a hand that fits you. Like, re le fa madulo, re le fa metlhole ka moka, but today ke tlo le bitsa ka mantswa a fapana mantswa a fapana go describe motho o mo stubborn. You're so obstinate, inflexible, mullish. You are so bull-headed, alekwi. Like, the whole country cannot be talking about you and like alinyakazi. Just go home and fix your countries, guys. Kanti linyako utlontlolo go fitla kae? Go home while you still have the dignity.
Yabo sesikhuluma honestly lento eyenzeka la izweni lakithi eSouth Africa yokulwa kwabantu bangaphandle nabantu eSouth Africa. Mina nje ngasho ngiqondisa ulimi ngithi abantu bangaphandle khululekani. Lempi lena ayiqondene nani kahle kahle. Sitharathi ilwa ngamagwala. Abantu base South Africa babhorekile. One, they are bored. Imisebenzi ayikho. Hlobo hlobo ayikho imisebenzi, so babhorekile, so they use every time they get ukwenza into wrong because they are babhorekile nje, bane-anger, banolaka. Ulaka labo kahle kahle luqonde ku-government, luqonde kuma-politicians, but balikhiphela endaweni wrong. Uzubone ukuthi banolaka baze basho bathi nithatha imisebenzi for ama-South Africans because bona ulaka lwabo ukuthi abasebenzi, imisebenzi ayikho, kunokuthi bekhona imisebenzi bayadilizwa, and sometimes they had a cause yokuthi badilizwe, bayikhoze ukuthi kulahleka imisebenzi ngenxa yokuthi bahlezi banolaka, bane-anger yokuthi inango ama-services awafiki kubona, so bakhipha ulaka, balikhiphile kumuntu o-wrong. Ubabona ekhaya mangabe kunomnumzane ekhaya osatshwayo, uma ngabe umnumzane enze okuthile, ubona ngomama wasegcekeni ethithisa inkukhu, ethethe isinja, ikhahlela inkukhu, akhahlela amabhakede, usaba ukhahlela loya muntu olapha ya ongena baxabane naye, akhahlela amabhakede kunothi akhahlele loya muntu. So nabo bakhiphela ulaka lwabo endaweni wrong, bathuthelela abantu aba-wrong. Why lo muntu ekufuna ngabe balwa naye uhulumeni? Bayehluleka ukulwa nohulumeni, they are scared ukulwa nohulumeni. Bayahluleka ukulwa nama-politician, they are scared ukulwa nama-politician. That's why bagcine sebalwa nabantu aba-wrong. And noma ngahamba wonke ama-foreign nations, kusala ama-South Africans wodwa azosala alwa odwa because bane-anger, banolaka. Angazi ngathini, ningahamba nonke ama-foreign nations bele emazweneni, uzomangala kuthiwa kweswala bese kuliwa i-KZN ne-Gauteng, kuthiwa base-KZN abafuseka bayibele i-Gauteng, abafuseka bayibele i-KZN, lapha simisikodo lamasithuba omsebenzi, because le mpi is about amathuba omsebenzi, is about i-service eyakubantu, not about abantu abangenayo la kulelizwe. It's not about that. It's about i-service, poor service elethwa u-government, elethwa ngama-politicians. Ngoba uzobona noba kuzokhethwa bazoza balethe ama-promises are-useless, ama-promises angafulfillwa. Bathembisa kusuka umuntu ongasebenzi, osiqhwihlimba, ohlele ekhaya na ongasebenzi, aphuma ngena imizi yabantu aqamba amangathi hayi votela nokuthi bazonivula amathuba omsebenzi, kodwa yena akasebenzi. Akithi imoto votela nokuthi kuzonilethela amanzi, kodwa nakuba amanzi awekho. Uma kusekuphela ukhetho, labantu baba ne-anger ukuthi ayizi service, that's why bagcine sebalwa bodwana. Kukhona unyaka la khona kwakhuluma ngisho umholi wenye yenhlangano enganengisho wathi umsebenzi eJoburg iqedwa ngabantu base-KZN, they must go back to Natal. Wabuya yena futhi lo mholi wathi imisebenzi icedwa ngabantu bangaphandle, they must go back to their countries. That is the same person futhi ophinde wabuya wathi ama-foreign nations awabhaliswe because labantu bagijimisa amavoti, they don't care about the service. So as ama-South Africans anganamathuba emisebenzi, anganayo service, ahlale emijondolo, kunzima, impilo itense, inzima ngale ndlela enzima ngakhona ngoba kunabantu abafundile baneziqu but imisebenzi abayitholi. Baspende 7 years ema-colleges, imisebenzi abayitholi. Umfica umuntu seyothi are taken jail for South Africans, kulwa umuntu oneziqu zobudokotela, uyolwa nomuntu odayisa utamatisi, uthi are taking jail for South Africans. No, yi-anger, ngeke usuke uneziqu zobudokotela ulwa nomuntu odayisa utamatisi, uyojova utamatisi ngani. Yi-anger abanayo towards u-government, but bayamsaba. If bengaba strong, beme family, balwe no-government, ungabona. They are failing to face u-government wabo, balwe naye. That's why bagcine sebakhiphela ulaka lwabo kubantu aba-wrong. Impi le khona is not about ama-foreign nations, is about u-government ne-service, poor service eletha kubantu, abathembisa imisebenzi ingafiki, abathembisa yonke le nto lezi amananga agcina angakwenzi ngisho okukodwa. At the end, these people, they end up fighting each other. Noma ngihamba nonke nibe emazweneni bazosala belwa uyozwa kuthiwa i-Eastern Cape ilwa ne-KZN, i-KZN ilwa ne-Free State, kuyosuka impi yangaphakathi la kushaya nabo nabodwa la eSouth Africa because they are angry. Uhulumeni wabo benze baba angry ngale ndlela ukuthi inhliziyo abasenazo, inhliziyo zabo seziyathunukala. Uyithinta kanye uthi sebahlezi banonqa ngaphakathi kubona. Abasana peace because of their government walezwe lethu leli. Hayi uhlulekile ukwenza izinto, uyena okhatha abantu, ukhatha izwe government. Impi yosuka eSouth Africa kuyobe kungalwi izwe la amazwe bobe bangalwi nezwe elinye. South Africa yobilwa yodwa mhla kwasuka impi eSouth Africa, iyobe ishana yodwa, ama province obashana odwa. Kuyosuka usempulu lwempi khatha ugovernment asuke nabaleka ucasha kwelinye izwe kuthi nasekuphelile abuye ashiya abantu befa. These people are angry. Bathola kulula ngisho kubona ukhipha isibambo babulala umuntu because bathukuthele. Intukuthelo iba ngokuhulumeni ngaphakathi enhlizweni zabo, futhi ngeke iziphele le ntukuthelo until government azenze into right. Kungahamba wonke umuntu kodwa bosala belwa bodwa. There will be civil war here. Ugovernment ekufuna asukume enze into right for abantu, or abantu basukume balwe nohulumeni wabo. Ukusha abantu abaronke uyedwa umuntu omile laphana government efuna kufesane naye, ithembiso zakhe azenzayo ayifeze. Ububha obukhona ezweni abuqede, behla ububha kwehla izinga lenango njalo kokhishwa. Yabo nje uyaqala unyaka kuzobe kukhishwa ama statistics abantu ukuthi unemployment yehlile, izinga lokuqashwa kwabantu likhuphukile. Kube ngaqashwanga umuntu kunaloko kudiliziwe, kodwa bona bathi yehlile yini? Badlana ingqondo zabantu, gcina abantu bane anger due to government. Masingamela nje amaqiniso, silwe nomuntu esilwa naye. Ngisho nawe unyaka ozayo mina kube kuthiwa izinga labantu abangasebenzi lehlile ngo-4%, basho ngalowo mzuzu likhuphukile ngoba kube kunabantu abaningi abadeliziwe emsebenzini because some companies are closing. But kuthiwa yini lehlile ngoba kwenziwe njani? Kuthiwa ingqondo zabantu, kuthiwa ingqondo zabantu zamanye amazwe ukuthi kubona ngathi eSouth Africa kasentshezwa kade ayikho into enziwa eSouth Africa. That's why bese gcina abantu baSouth Africa bane anger, belwa bodwana, beshaya bodwana as blacks because bane anger edalwa government wabo. They are failing to face their government. Government walana udlalile ngathi udlalile. Kufika ukhetho lento kwathiwa ANC must fall, kunokuthi kuthiwe must fall yathatha ANC yaphinde yafakwa khona phayana. Inti lelekuthini ezandleni zethu. Abantu bangaphandle noma bangihamba bonke angeke kusize ngalutho. Into ezosiza ukuthi kutshela ugovernment ukuthi akenze into right. Kulwe nohulumeni. Le anger sikhiphela kubantu bangaphandle sikhiphele kuhulumeni. Uhulumeni enza into right. Sikhathela ukuthi sizobothenjisa izithembiso engapheli. Njalo sothenjiswa, njalo kuyathenjiswa. Kuthiwa namhlanje kunama companies nama factories aqhasha abantu bangaphandle abangena kulezo ngokungemthetho. Ungamqasha kanjani umuntu ongena kulezo ngokungemthetho if i-company yakho nawe isemthethweni? Which means nama companies ala aranayo most of them they awekho emthethweni. Uhulumeni wethu weak.
Hey, mina longakusho ukuthi impi yobuhlaka angeke iphele. So Shangane wabaleka waya eMozambique, abaleka uShaka. And white people were not there. It was only us black people. Umzilikazi wabaleka wayokuphi eZimbabwe. It was only us, black to black. It was black to black. Kulelwa ini? I-territory. Because even manje ukhalwa ngema-borders nani. By then bekude ama-borders. Impi yema-territory beyikhona amongst us as black people. So impi yobuhlaka angeke iphele. But lokukhona people of South Africa labakhelela kona is that everyone lota la eSouth Africa makalandele imithetho yase South Africa. because even in Zimbabwe angeke ngiye ngenayo i-passport, in Nigeria angeke ngiye ngenayo i-visa or i-passport. Nakhona kunemithetho yakhona, likhane ekhaya kunemithetho. I don't know what bantu base-South Africa labanye laba against abo March and March Operation Tutula ukuthi bona baphila kuliphi live. Even wena yourself phakathi enhlitweni yakho uyathi ukuthi angeke uphile nemuntu ongamadi ukuthi ubuyaphi. What if lo muntu lasuka khona urebhile ubulele? What if lo muntu lasuka khona uphila ngegazi labantu? Because kubalekile each and every country kubalekile ukuthi ibe nemithetho yakhona and imithetho yakhona ilandzele and imithetho yakhona iqiniswe ukuze abantu bakulelo live baphephe. Mina ngakusho ukuthi I stand with Operation Tutula, I stand with March and March, I stand with patriotic people. So uma someone lofana nalobhoti lo mana khulume, I don't know if unabo bantwana or I don't know ukuthi unayo plan yokuba protector. As you can see on my previous video, most of my bantu baseZimbabwe bavule emasonto emigwaqeni, bavule emisonto etigangeni, ba practice ama rituals la wrong, ma rituals okubulala abantu, ma rituals okwenda okufungela nokublocka impilo tebantu, baenda ama rituals okwenda abantu kabi. There was a video lengayibukela mina lomnye sis waseZimbabwe athi uthole indlu kuBushiri. Ekugcineni kwako konke ula eSouth Africa lo muntu but uthi our enemies they must die. Usho bobani? Usho people of South Africa. Uthi her enemies must die.
I come from Zimbabwe, all the way from Zimbabwe to stand with my prophet. Now here in South Africa, I have a 7-roomed house staying for free because of this God of Major One. This time around is fire to fire. God must kill our enemies. No more stories.
Yes.
They took our speakers, they took everything because they are so xenophobic, they are so heartless. But we are not going to wait to tell God to kill them. They must die.
Hayi. Bobani izitha semaZimbabweni. Usho ukuthi titsa temaZimbabweni it's South African, but these people better la eSouth Africa batothola lunqetho. ISouth Africa isho ukuthi bantu base Africa, Nigeria, Malawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe bangide eSouth Africa, but abete eSouth Africa with the proper documents, with the proper permits. If it's totally Africa is one, or you can't be a foreigner in Africa, akube na one currency, kube na one flag, one president. If there's no one currency, no one president, no one flag, as following imithetho wa each and every individual countries, kusengakabi one country, kusengakabi one currency, kusengakabi one president. Asichubekeni kwemithetho lebekiwe ku each and every country. Njengoba abantu base South Africa nabo bayifollowa imithetho yaseZimbabwe, nabo bayifollowa imithetho yaseMozambique, bayifollowa imithetho yaseNigeria or eMalawi, anywhere country labaya kuyo, whether it's UK, they follow their terms and laws of that country. Because now people they say I can't be a foreigner in Africa. They doing that only in South Africa. Bafuna kungena in South Africa without the proper documents, but ekugcineni kwako konke they make joke nge-South African bathi it's a banana country, it's a banana republic. If it's a banana republic, why manje if i-banana republic iqinisa umthetho bakhale bantu bakhaliswa yini? Ndophelela lapho nje. Danko.